So you hop in your car one day and you notice that your backup camera is gone foggy. It's working. It's gone foggy. You think that there might be some water there? That's possible. But we're going to go out and we're going to polish the lens and see if that'll take care of this problem. So here's what the lens currently looks like. I cleaned it off with my finger, and as you've seen in the vehicle, it's still foggy. So we're going to take some of that polish and start polishing this lens. Seems like this Mother's California Gold is not aggressive enough. It's more of a smooth polish. I'm going to try this metal polish now. It's a little bit more aggressive, the compound. See if it'll take the scratch out of the lens. And after a very aggressive polishing with that Autosol, more aggressive paste, we have a way better picture. That really looks good. Thanks for watching.